Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change canvas size in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come to the top menu and click on document. You'll actually get this drop down and I want you to hover over setup, and then on the right hand side here I want you to hover over resize and then click here on canvas. You can go ahead and enter your new canvas dimensions in the size boxes. The left one is for width, the right box is for height, and you can also go ahead and change and resize the width and height independently. So you just go ahead and click on this link icon to unlink between the size boxes. And if you want, you can also go ahead and select a different measurement unit by clicking on this drop down. For this example, I'll go ahead and use pixels, and then the rulers will actually update to the new measurement unit. I'll go ahead and set the dimensions right here to 1080 by 1920 pixels. So we have that one done, and now we'll go ahead and change this one as well to 1920. And here you'll see anchor. You can go ahead and set a alignment option to resize the canvas under the image from that anchor point. So here it will start from the top left. So if I select the middle one, it will start from the middle. I'll just click here on resize, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Of course, you can go ahead and move these around and resize the images as well. But that is how to change canvas size in Affinity Studio.